How to use coconut oil to get fair skin at home. Everyone has different skin colors and all of them are equally beautiful. But glowing spotless skin is one thing that we all need. It does not matter, you are fair or dark, you always should have a glowing skill. In today's video, I will share one skin whitening remedy that will improve the texture and tone of your skin. Ingredients required: cold pressed extra virgin coconut oil, 1 fresh lemon juice. All you need to do: clean bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil with lemon juice, mix both. Then apply this mixture to your clean face with a cotton ball. Let it dry for 20 to 25 minutes. After time's over, wash your face with lukewarm water. The vitamin C present in lemon juice is an excellent bleaching material. It also acts as a barrier for bacteria attacks on the skin. The antioxidant property of coconut oil helps in generating new and healthy skin cells, which brightens and whitens the skin.